Hello, today we'll be talking about Python and its very basics. We'll be talking about print statements and variables. A print statement is just a statement that allows you to have an output. So the way you write a print statement, you put print, then parentheses, and whatever you write, you have to have it in double quotes. So let's say hello. So when I run the program, my output is going to be hello. Whatever I have in this is going to be my output. So I can have it, hi, I'm Camilo. So when I run it, this is going to be my output. You can have multiple print statements. Let's create another print statement that is your favorite color. So let's say my favorite color is green. So when you run this, it's going to have the output. Let's add another print statement that is something fun. So let's just make this. Look at the stars. So when I run it, it's gonna have the output like that. So if you notice, even though I have like enters in those lines, the output, it doesn't show them, and this is because the computer runs the first line and it does whatever the line tells it to do. So print, hi, I'm Camilo. So that's the output. Then it goes to the next line, but it sees that the line's empty, so it just skips it. It doesn't show in dot, but it just skips the line. So now let's talk about variables. So there's many different type of variables. There's integers, floats, characters, and lines. So the way you write a variable, you just write the name of your variable. So let's say my integer, and then you set it up to and then you make it equal to something. So let's say 5. And now to print a variable, you do print, and in this case, because you want to put the name of your variable, you don't want to put it in double quotes. So you only want to put the name of your variable. So my integer. And when I run this, it's going to print out whatever the integer. So it's going to print out whatever the variable is. So if I change this to 64, it's going to print 64. If I want to print a line, I would have to use single quotes when I create the variable, so that it knows that it's a line. So ABC, and I was going to print ABC. If I don't use the single quotes, the program's just going to give me an error because it doesn't recognize this as a number. So now let's create a little assignment with the things that we've learned. So first, we'll start by creating a variable that is name. So you make the variable name equal to whatever your name is. Don't forget to put in the single quotes. Then let's have another variable that is year born, and you make it whatever year you were born in. And then let's make another one that's called current year, and then you just set it to whatever the year it is. So now let's have a print statement that prints out your name. So let's have print, and then let's say in double quotes, my name is, and now you put the name. But when you do this in a print statement, you're gonna need to have a comma right after your double quotes, because if you don't have a comma before you name a variable, it's not gonna work. Now let's create another variable called age, and let's make it equal to the current year minus the year you were born. Alright, and now let's just print the age. So let's say in quotes, I am, comma, age, comma again, because it needs a comma to know that it's a different thing. And now years old. So now when I run the program, it's gonna show, hi, my name is Camilo and I'm 17 years old. So if I change this, the age is gonna change. So let's say if I put this as 5,000, well, my age changes. And that's basically it for this lesson.